Today I'm gonna show the Vitex brain application. In daily life, people often face challenge with tasks they aren't familiar with, such as cooking a new recipe, setting up devices, or handling do-it-yourself repairs. Searching for reliable solutions online is time-consuming and often overwhelming, with too many options, unclear instructions, and incomplete answers. This process can be discouraging and frustrating, and user may struggle to find accurate and easy to follow guidance. To tackle this issue, we have developed by Brain, an application that use Aria and Allegro models from Rhymes.ai to provide real-time step-by-step guidance. With just a prompt, users can receive both text and video instructions tailored to their specific task quickly and efficiently. The technology used is Aria and Allegro AI models. Aria is a mixture of expert AI model designed for handling multimodal inputs such as text, images, and videos. It's open source and emphasizes efficiency and high performance. The Allegro is a text to video model that efficiently generates video clips in minutes, facilitating the rapid content creation for content creators, marketers, and AI researchers. And all the application was made with Python and the UI in Streamlit. The application has the features like answer question button that generates instructional text when a user requests help, and video button that generates videos. It is easy of use, user-friendly interface, store previous question answered history, and dynamically generates prompt suggestions. When the user enters a question or task, for example, how to make tea or a snow landscape, user selects the text or video generation. The app sends the request to the API to generate either text or video instructions. The API integration side in the text app calls Aria API and wait for the response. And for video, it calls the Allegro API, receives the request token, and sends the follow-up request until the video is ready for to be shown. Both questions and API response are stored in the database, and finally the results is sent to the user and shown in the app main section. The application has this interface. Here is the suggestions that can be refreshed with this button. Here is the user question area when the user can input the prompt or just select one of these suggestions. For example, this prompt that is suggested, we can just select the answer the question for text response and or generate video. In this case, I will look for the for the answer. It start processing, calls the Aria API, and just when it finishes, it just put the answer here in the previous answer, like as you can see here, and the answer is just shown in the main section of the application. The list of the previous answers, if you put the mouse pointer over it, it shows the date where the answer was made. And for example, here is a video generated for a yoga exercise for healthy lifestyle. Here you can see the prompt used to generate the video. And here is some previous question answered. And for to produce a video, we can select this one and generate video. So because the video generated takes at least 2 minutes, I will continue on that. We have the following benefits: enable user to accomplish tasks without external help, provides immediate support with quality video and text instructions, and beneficial for users for of all ages and technical background. The remarkable positive aspects are accuracy and quality of the generated instructions, good alternative for text to video generation, and excellent for ideas generation and do-it-yourself instructions. We can make some improvements like add attachment functionality, because the area models is just multimodal, and improve video quality and duration, and make it multi-user, adding a login and security user authentication. Our future vision is to include features like customization, allowing users to choose different formats or style for instructions, expanded content, covering more complex tasks or multi-step processes, and the potential applications for this is just training, education, and real-time support. Thank you very much.